Alright, so here's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to try to add up x plus 1 plus x plus 2 all the way up to x plus n minus 1. It seems like this might be kind of hard.
Yeah.
How do we add this up?
Well, you can add the x's and then you could add the numbers.
Okay, how many x's do I have?
Well, you have n minus 1. Well, actually, you have n x's.
Okay, so I have n people. Each of them has an x.
So
that's
5.
n times x.
Yeah.
Plus
1 plus 2.
Well, I'm gonna include the 0 here. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3
Okay.
plus all the way up to n minus 1. Okay. How do I add that up?
Well, then, we can
write it backward, and then
Oh. When we write it backwards, we get n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Okay.
So it looks like we get, here's an n minus 1 plus 0, so that's an n minus 1.
Okay, so this part just by itself is an n minus 1 plus
And
n minus 2 plus 1, so n minus 1.
n minus 1.
and
Oh,
then-
you know what? I did it wrong down here. I forgot I started at 0, so it's plus 1 plus 0.
0.
Sorry.
And then
N minus 1. So I have a bunch of n minus
You
1s.
have n minus 1.
So this is
N-
n times n minus 1. So is that what this sums up to? N
No,
times n?
you have to divide it by 2.
Ah, I added 2 of them.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I have n times n minus 1 over 2. So this whole
You
original sum, ooh geez, I'm getting sloppy here. This whole original sum is n times x plus n times n minus 1 all over 2, right?
Yep.
At the end, remember I had some mystery large number plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus all the way up to n minus 2.
Yeah.
All right. How do I add 0 plus 1 plus 2 all the way up to plus n minus 2?
You can do the
Same.
same way.
Okay.
So you have
I read it backwards. N minus 2 plus n minus 3 plus 1 plus 0. So I have a bunch of n minus 2s.
you have n minus 1 n minus 2's.
And n minus 1, n minus 2. So I get n minus 2 times n minus 1 over 2.
Yeah.
N minus 1 times n minus 2 over 2 plus the large number. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we can solve for what that large number is, believe it or not. Are you ready to see this?
Yeah.
Here's my equation. So I just have to move this complicated number over to the other side. N times x plus n times n minus 1 over 2 minus n minus 1 n minus 2 over 2
And then
equals the large number. And that large number is equal to 4 times what?
4, that would be 4 times
4 times the
the,
second largest number.
The large number left at the end was equal to 4 times the person next to it. Remember how much that next person?
It was x times n minus x plus n minus 1.
That was at the beginning.
Yeah.
How much did that person have at the end?
it was,
Well, it was n minus 2.
Okay, this has to equal
and or
4 times n minus 2.
cool.
Okay? Alright?
Yep.
So this very complicated looking expression just has to equal 4 times n minus 2. Okay? Should we try to solve that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright? It's going to be complicated to solve. There's going to be a lot of algebra here. But
Yeah.
we'll see. I bet we can do it. The first thing we'll do is we'll multiply everything by 2 to get rid of those fractions.
Yep.
Okay?
Yeah.